Welcome back to Ivan channel. I'm Ryan. Last time I showed you PPR pipes fittings, and today I will show you how to connect PPR pipes and the fittings. You need a hot melter, scissors, gloves, marker pens and racks to make hot melt connection. Choose the right deadhead for the pipes you are connecting. PPR pipes fittings need a hot melter when welding. This ensures the pipes are installed correctly. Here are some notes on PPR hot melt operation. There are two types of hot melters, constant temperatures and temperature control. I recommend constant temperatures for the beginners. The hot melt temperatures for PPR is 260 to 280 centigrade, but can be 280 to 300 in winter. Heating, welding, plugging, and cooling time vary with pipe's diameter. This table is for reference. And let's start welding. First, mark the pipe. Cut the pipes vertically with the scissors at the required position. Insert the pipes and the pipes fitting into the die head and heat them for the specific time. Quickly connect fittings and pipes. Press for 3 seconds and cool it for 10 seconds. Okay, now we have a beautiful double eyelet. PPR pipes fittings welding is complete. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a message. I hope you can all weld a beautiful pipes. See you next time.